In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter CMS content in Wix. This is an incredibly handy tool if you're looking to streamline the content displayed on your site, making it easier for your visitors to find exactly what they need. Whether you're showcasing products, blog posts, or any other type of data stored within a collection, filtering allows you to display this content according to specific criteria that you set. So let's dive in and get started on how to filter items by field values. First things first, head over to CMS in your site's dashboard. If you're already in the Wix editor, you can also access it by clicking on CMS in the editor toolbar, followed by selecting your collections. This will take you to a list of all the collections you've created for your site. Each collection houses different kinds of content, so it's important to understand which one you want to filter. Once you have your list in front of you, go ahead and click on the relevant collection that you want to filter. If you have multiple collection views, you'll want to make sure you've selected the relevant collection view at the top of the page. This just ensures that you're working with the correct set of data. Now, look towards the top right of your screen, and you'll notice a button labeled Filter. Give that a click. This will open up the filtering options. Here, you'll want to click on plus New Filter to start creating a fresh filter for your content. Next, we have the Select Field drop-down menu. This is where you decide which field you're interested in filtering. Fields act as categories, so pick the one that best fits the criteria you want to apply. After you've selected your field, the next step is to click on the Choose a Condition drop-down. The conditions available here vary based on the type of field you're filtering. For instance, if your field involves dates, you might see options like Before or After. For text fields, you could see conditions like Contains or Starts with. Choose the one that suits your filtering needs. If it's necessary for the condition you've chosen, you may need to enter a specific value. Look for the Enter a Value field and type in the desired value that should meet the condition criteria. This is especially useful for narrowing down results to the most relevant content. Once all these selections are made, the final step is to click Add Filter. This will apply your filter to the collection, instantly updating which items are displayed based on the criteria you've just set up. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a filter for your CMS content in Wix. By following these steps, you can tailor what your viewers see, making their experience more enjoyable and relevant. As always, explore different combinations of fields and conditions to fit the unique needs of your site. Thanks for tuning in, and happy filtering!